Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. This is probably going to be the simplest thing I've ever made a video about. Normally when I need a door wedge, I just look in the scrap bin and there's always some kind of wedge shaped bit of wood in there. But I was thinking just because things are simple doesn't mean they have to be ugly. A bit from the scrap bin would do the job and it saves it from the fire, but sometimes you just want something a little nicer. I decided to cut some wedges out of oak. If you don't have a scrap bin full of wedges, people tend to buy those horrible rubber ones, but if you've got a nice house, you don't really want that on your floor. I think this project just got me thinking about all the simple things we own and buy that you could just make a little bit nicer. So being made out of oak with some finish on, already it's quite nice, but I'm going to add another detail, and that's a leather strap to help pick it up. So I cut some straps the same width as the wedge. Then I punch a hole in one end, fold it over, mark out a corresponding hole and then punch that. I hold up the strap and then mark out where the hole is going to go. Because I'm going to use a brass screw, trying to make this nice, I'm going to pre-drill the hole just to make sure I don't snap the screw off. The leather strap can then get attached with a round head brass screw. I'm using a matching brass screw cup so it doesn't pull the screw through the leather. That's it all done. Incredibly simple, but just slightly nicer than the ones you can buy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.